How do some sellers manage to launch and rank without PPC or giveaways? I'm not sure. If you're asking me about the cleanest way to do so, it would be via redirecting traffic from an external source. Say you're running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or any other type of ads, you're running it to your listing, and then based on that, you're converting technically also for selling the products that you're selling. That is one of the ways. Second thing would be via, if you have demand, some type of demand when it comes down to external traffic, again, through blogs, or if you're going to feature your product on someone else's channel, or if you have a review and then they are going to link to your product within their description. Those could be ways that one could manage in a white hat way, so in a Amazon compliant way, how to launch and rank their products without PPC or giveaways. But those would be my thought process. Other external channels that are redirecting a customer to purchase your product on Amazon.